Turn old diaries into bestseller novels with AI, mining your teenage angst for literary gold. That battered notebook tucked in your attic? The one filled with cringeworthy confessions about your 8th grade crush, existential dread over algebra, and profound thoughts on cafeteria pizza? Forget embarrassment. Forget dust. You're sitting on a potential gold mine, and AI is your pickaxe. Welcome to the wildest, most accessible literary revolution since the printing press. Transforming your chaotic, heartfelt, mortifying old diaries into compelling, publishable novels with artificial intelligence as your co-pilot, editor, and occasional digital court jester. From cringe to cash, why your diaries are secret weapons. Think about it. Great fiction thrives on authenticity, emotional truth, and specific, relatable details. Your teenage diaries, or young adult journals, or even your Finding Myself post-college ramblings are dripping with this raw material. They contain 1. Unfiltered emotion, the raw, unfiltered passion of adolescent love, the crushing weight of social anxiety, the soaring highs of small victories, captured in the moment, unpolished and powerful. No detached author can replicate that immediacy. 2. Unique voice. Your teenage voice, however awkward or melodramatic, is distinct. It's you. It's authentic. This is the bedrock upon which a compelling narrative voice can be rebuilt and refined. 3. Vivid details. The scratchy feel of the school bus seat, the specific scent of your first boyfriend's cologne, apocalypse, anyone. The agonizing wait by the phone. These tiny, sensory specifics are gold dust for world building. 4. Built-in conflict. Diaries document struggle with parents, friends, self-doubt, the universe itself. Conflict is the engine of story, and your past self provided it in spades. The problem? This gold is buried under rambling tangents, questionable fashion choices documented in excruciating detail. Wore my new neon zebra-striped leg warmers. Todd noticed, and sheer volume. Manually sifting through it feels like archaeology in a swamp of nostalgia. Enter AI. AI, your eccentric and occasionally unhinged literary assistant. Forget dystopian visions of robots writing soulless bestsellers. Modern AI writing tools, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Sudowrite, Jasper, are more like hyper-powered, slightly scatterbrained research librarians fused with a developmental editor who's had one too many espressos. They don't replace you, the author with lived experience. They amplify you. Here's the alchemy. 1. The great deciphering and thematic mining. First, digitize those handwritten scrawls. OCR apps are your friend. Feed chunks to the AI. Asterisk. Analyze these diary entries from 2002 to 2004. Identify core themes, recurring emotional conflicts, potential character archetypes based on people mentioned, and any latent narrative. Threads. Asterisk boom. The AI spots patterns invisible to you. Your constant clash with authority wasn't just about Mr. Henderson's math class. It was a core character trait. Your obsession with Todd masked a deeper need for validation. Comical aspect. The AI might return hilariously clinical insights. Subject exhibits persistent fixation on subject T, Todd. Analysis suggests subject T functioned as primary dopamine trigger, albeit unreliable. Concurrent narratives involving subject H, Heather, indicate high conflict potential, likely rooted in resource competition, limited adolescent male attention, superior hair product access. Recommend narrative arc. Quest for self-worth versus the Heather antagonism matrix. 2. Character alchemy. From awkward teen to protagonist. Take an entry detailing a mortifying school dance incident. Prompt the AI. Based on this diary entry, create a fictional character inspired by the author's younger self. Outline key personality traits, core fears, motivations, and a potential character arc suggest a fictional name and setting. The AI uses the emotional core, the shame, the longing, the resilience to craft a relatable protagonist, leaving your specific embarrassing foot-stomping incident behind. Comical aspect, character name, Fiona Fig Newton. Core trait, observant but cripplingly self-conscious. Motivation, to be truly seen. Fear, eternal social invisibility, literal only if we're doing urban fantasy. Arc, from wallflower to uncovering the school's secret underground art society. Quirk, mutters conspiracy theories about the lunch lady to cope with anxiety. 3. Plot weaving, transforming mundanity into magic. Your diary entry. Tuesday, boring. Did laundry. Avoided Todd. AI prompt. Asterisk, generate 5 high-concept plot ideas for a young adult novel inspired by the themes of social anxiety and unrequited teenage longing found in my diary entries. Blend humor with emotional depth. Asterisk suddenly, boring Tuesday's spark. 1. The Laundromat Chronicles. Fig discovers sentient, opinionated socks in the basement machines, leading a revolt against static cling and social hierarchy. 2. The Avoidance Agency. A secret club specializing in helping teens dodge their crushes/arch nemesis, leading to increasingly elaborate and disastrous schemes. 3. The Tuesday Conspiracy. Fig realizes every mundane Tuesday hold a hidden, magical event only the socially anxious can perceive. 4. Comical AI Overreach. Option 6. Todd is revealed as an alien sent to study human awkwardness. Fig must teach him genuine emotion to save his home planet from eternal blandness. High stakes plus intergalactic cringe. 4. World-building recall and sensory boost. You remember how the gym smelled, but describing it vividly is hard. Prompt. I'm setting a scene in a 2000s high school gymnasium during a disastrous dance. Generate vivid sensory descriptions focusing on smell, sound, and the oppressive lighting. Evoke awkwardness and teenage dread. The AI taps cultural knowledge to amplify your hazy memories. 5. Voice transformation. Your diary voice might be pure, unadulterated teen melodrama. My heart is a shattered vase. Prompt. Rewrite this overly dramatic diary passage in a more mature, witty, third-person perspective suitable for a contemporary YA novel, while retaining the core feeling of heartbreak. AI helps refine the raw or into a publishable voice. 6. Brainstorming bonanzas and blockbusting. Stuck? My protagonist Fig is trapped in the library basement during the Sentient sock uprising. Generate 10 unexpected, humorous ways she could escape or negotiate a truce. AI floods you with ideas, from distracting them with lint rollers to starting a rival faction of sentient underwear. The digital jester in the writing room, embracing the chaos. AI isn't a flawless oracle. It's a brilliant, slightly unhinged collaborator. The literalist lunatic. Ask for a heart-wrenching scene, and it might have a character literally wrenching a plastic heart from their chest. Always review and refine. The overenthusiastic trope machine. It might suggest one too many chosen one prophecies or love triangles. You are the curator. The bland bard. Unsupervised AI output can be generic. Your unique voice and specific memories are the antidote. Use AI as a springboard. The unintentional comedian. Its misinterpretations are pure gold. Save those gems. They might inspire your funniest subplot, e.g., the AI thinking your diary's bad hair day lament was about a sentient squirrel living in your bangs. The ethical inkwell, navigating the minefield. Turning personal history into public fiction requires care. Privacy first, fictionalized ruthlessly. Change names, locations, identifying details. Protect real people, especially Todd, wherever he is. Authenticity versus exploitation. Are you honoring your past self or just mining it for profit? Maintain respect for the raw emotion that fueled the diary. Who's the author? Be transparent. You did the living, the remembering, the prompting, and the heavy editing. The AI is a powerful tool, like a word processor on steroids. You are the author. The sole question: can AI help create something with depth? Absolutely. But the soul comes from your experience, your choices in guiding the AI, and your final crafting. The AI assembles the bricks. You design and inhabit the house. The final draft: your story amplified. Turning old diaries into novels with AI isn't about cheating or creating soulless content. It's about reclaiming your narrative. It's about taking those raw, emotional, often hilarious fragments of your past and shaping them into something new, powerful, and potentially resonant with readers worldwide. AI handles the heavy lifting of structure, ideation, and refinement, freeing you to focus on the heart of the story, your story. So dig out that box, blow off the dust, embrace the cringe, fire up your AI tool of choice. Your teenage self's melodramatic heartbreak, social blunders, and quiet moments of wonder are waiting to be transformed. With AI as your partner in prose, that embarrassing diary isn't just a relic. It's your first draft on the path to a bestseller. Pass the popcorn and maybe some emotional support chocolate for reliving that Todd incident. Your literary adventure starts now. Let the mining begin. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.